صل على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Assalamu alaikum to all the present, your right and left, all the teachers and guests. And before me, tell you all the future of the nation. Today, I come to you in the value of your time. To believe that from all the words that you are present before me today, from the core of our heart, I wish a happy Independence Day. 79th of Independence Day in India. So, our forebears who struggled for the freedom, they wanted to give us the unity. They wanted to give us the Independence Day of freedom, free from all kinds of the hazards. But it's understanding with clarity today that today we don't get freedom from any kind of the business and education and in the science levels. So one thing is pending. The forebears wanted to give us freedom to our families, where we see our father, our mother, our parents, our uncles, our brother, our sisters. But one thing is pending to think in right now. I want to tell you, please listen, be careful. The old family members are not saying. This example will give you a better understanding. Just listen carefully. Simple. Your father is taking for a walk and you are in the childhood. So father took a child for the walk and you are asking several questions like, what is it, father? The father answering you. What is it, father? The father answering you again. What is mother? The father answering you again. 3 times you ask the question. Now you are grown up, your father has been old. So that time you are married with a wife, you are living inside a room. And your father out of the room now. Your father is old. And you are grown up. You are doing a service. And you are married with a girl. And you are inside the room with your wife. You are talking. So for a need, your father is calling out of the room. Dear son, please come. Dear son, please come. It's called by your father, who nurturing, who taught you walking, who taught you everything in the childhood. Your father is calling you. You just look there. 3 times you ask your father, what is it? What is it? What is it? So your father answered you with pride. But when you are grown up with your wife, you are inside the room and your father 2 times called you, dear son, this come out, this come out. And you became angry and you reacted to your father. What father? You have been old. Why are you talking? Why? See India. See our India. So you didn't honor to your father. You did nothing to your father in this house. So in this India, don't expect like this. So when you have the diversity, when you have the unity, when you have the humility in your prayer,